What I have here today, Tuesday, January 11th, 2022, is another Bunn Special video. And directed by Bunn Special, graphics by Bunn Special, stunts by Bunn Special, hamper for various ingredients, sound effects by Bunn Special. This video performed by an amateur. Do not attempt at home. No watches were harmed in making this video for entertainment only. People like to see watches. I'm still wearing the same watch, the Xeno Titanium. Oh, I still got that chronograph running. I make the soup, I boil it, and then I let it cool down for a little bit before I eat it because I don't want to burn my tongue. So I use this to time it. So I want to ensure that I don't whip the second hand out of position. I always wait till it goes there and then I reset it. That way it doesn't whip like crazy. Yeah, titanium case with the modified Seiko band, whatever. Okay, so what I have here is a pocket watch. I normally don't like to buy this. I mean, I buy other people's junk, but I don't like to go just junky. Has no crystal. You got rust. You got a minute hand missing. It just doesn't look good, you know. Just does not look good. But the reason I bought it, I'll have to show you. Why did I buy this? I bought this. I buy other people. Look at that. There's all crud buildup on the case. Lever set. That works though. I did this and it does move freely. I thought it'd be all. Whoa! Just had lunch. Thought it'd be all crusty, rusty. That's not as bad. So what do I like about this? Okay. Maybe I should take it out of the case. Where'd I put all my screwdrivers? Everything is... Like I say, if it's not in the way, it's not located properly. So, let's see. I'm going to take it out because I have to examine it anyway. Let's see. Gonna drop out. Drop out. Put the case somewhere. Okay, oh, there's the movement. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Lunch. I had the ramen noodles with sardines. So there it is. Oh, where is it good? You can see whatever. It's over. Wow, that's reflective. So over here you got that funky adjusted, and then they got temperature. What's that? 6 positions, isochronism or whatever. So I remembered. I have some other watches here. I'm going to take this one out. This one has the text. The text was different. That's why I purchased this one. So we can take this one out. This one isn't much better. It's missing the minute hand. I got this one. This one says, what does this one say? This one has the adjusted over there. Temperature, 6 position isochronism, but it's different. So it's like, like an in-betweener. Let's see the last one. That's the other last one. Okay, this one just says adjusted. It's funky adjusted. Look how funky that Bunn Special Springfield, Illinois is. Wow, that's pretty crazy. So anyway, this one in the middle appears to be a transition, as I'd say. They got adjusted, then they got adjusted with the what adjustments it has, and then they, you know, realized they made it all the same sort of text. So that's why I bought it. Let me fold this stuff up, get it out of the way. How come it doesn't want to go in right? Oh, okay, there you go. Let me put I'm not going to screw it on because it's This one, the beast. It's a beast to screw on. And this one screws on nicely. So that's why I purchased it on eBay. But let's see, let's go looking at what's wrong with it. Yeah, well, if you do this, the second hand doesn't move for jack. So I'm like, oh damn. Then I go over here and the balance doesn't really move either. So the balance staff is just total trash. Look at that. Both pivots probably. With all that movement. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I can zoom in now. I'm still zoomed in. Let's see if we can take the balance stock off. So I'm not using a moving holder because I'm working on foam. Let's see. Maybe I should have worked on a movement holder. I should have. That's too late now. I'm gonna get the parts. Let's see if I can lift this up. Make sure the hairspring stud is free. Yeah, it's free. Okay, got that off. Put that in the container. And let's see. There's the balance. Let's see what the deal is. Zoom out so I can get the macro crap. Let's see. Oh yeah, looks like both pivots are kaput. Are you gonna be focusing on this? I don't know what it's focusing on. Likes to focus on my hand. Yeah, both pivots are kaput. Also, I noticed. I don't know if you can see it. Let's say at the 12 o'clock position, that one weight is a different color. Sort of yellow while the others were gold. The same thing at the bottom one too. I don't think it would have left the factory like that. I think they all should be the same color for this particular watch. So to me that looks like it's been altered with the weights. Let's see what else we got here. Oh man. Oh, look at that. You can see a wear mark where the balance was rubbing up against the plate. That's not good. I don't know. And then also I see there's a... I don't know if you can see that. There's a mark. I don't know if I can get to see that. I don't know if it will... Let's see. Where is it? Right over here. Where my tweezer is. You really can't... you really can't see that, can you? Damn reflectivity. Yeah, there it is. That's a gouge someone did to... yeah, a gouge someone put in there to tilt the balance cock. So I got a feeling this thing was restaffed. Staff was short, and the balance was rubbing up against the plate. It's a shame. We can't do anything about that. The jewels. How do the jewels look? Let me look with the jewels. I'm using 5X. They don't appear to be broken. At least on the bottom. How about the top? At 5X, the top, the jewels look good at 5X. So I gotta get me a staff. Let's see, where's the book? Oh, I gotta get the book. Is this zoomed out? There you go. Now it's official. Spring. No, what is it? No, this not. I don't want this book. I want the other book. Where's the other book? Oh man. Oh. I think they're gonna be working on watches. It's good to have this stuff. What's this book? I don't know if you can read that. What's that? I don't want to lift this up. I'm too lazy. American Pocket Watch. American Pocket and Wristwatch. Oh, wristwatch too. I didn't know it was wristwatch. Balance, staff, interchangeable list. It has filled with balance staff, but what it does have here, ooh, Illinois. Well, let's see if I can show this. It's probably not too good. What does that say? Illinois Watch Company material, so staffs, so a bunch of balance staffs. So let's go to the bottom here. What does it say? This is a 6 model. So we got 2 6s, 18 size. And one's a 509 and the other's 1281. What is the difference? Oh, I don't know. Oh, okay. Let's go to the picture. So that's the 599. That's a 1281. Where's the 1281? Is it? This is a single roller. So that's a 599. That's a double roller watch. This 1281 is the single roller. There's also a 1280, but that's for hunting. This is not a hunting watch. What is that? Oh, 1280 is the 5th model. Yeah, 1280's 5th model. So we want the 1281. So I got to order a 1281 balance staff for this watch. I think that will get it running. Okay. Oh, and let's see. I had some bonus material. Bonus footage, not bonus footage. Bonus content, as they say. Let's see if we can do the bonus content. Let's move that out of the way. I have my. I think I have to lift this up. This is bonus content time. I got my Chinese food container filled with pocket watches, so we'll look at a bunch of pocket watches. Where's my magnification? Let's do this quick. So I got, I think I got 10 watches in here. I put 5 on a level. So what we got? The first one. The first one is Elgin. Elgin key wine key set. Let's see what this is. I purchased these years ago. There it is. Oh, I think I did a video on this one. I think this is the one with the that had the mainspring barrel that split or something. Elgin National Watch Co. Key wine key set. Runs. Well, that's nice. What's this? This is a coin silver case. How many ounces does it say? 3 ounce. 3 ounce case. Looks like it's seen better days. Oh, what's next? Oh, let's look at this one. This one is National Watch Company. Look at that minute hand, a little bent. This is also Elgin, before they changed their name. How do I open this one? Oh, yeah. Oh, what is this? Elgin. This is another BW. This is BW Raymond. And oh, this one works too. Very nice. What's this case? This is two ounces of coin, as they say. This one came in a bag, I think. Let's see what's next. Let's do the middle one. Oh, this is a hunter case. Let's see if it opens up. Oh, it opens up. Oh, look at that spring. Wow, they really abused this crap out of this case. Damn. And what's this? This is another... Doesn't want to focus. National Watch Co. National Watch Co. Let's see what the movement looks like. I have this loose. This is all beat to crap too. Look at that. They beat up this case. What's this, Silverine or something? It's nickel. There's Elgin Watch Co. This one works too. Very nice. Well, let me put that over here. And what's the next one? This one is another National Watch Co. Well, I had a thing for a National Watch Co. back then. I've left myself a little note here. Steel roller jewel, long regulator. That's something I guess I want to work on. There's Elgin. What's this one called? This is a GM Wheeler. So yeah, the regulator is kind of long. It extends past the scale there. This one kind of works. This one needs to be cleaned. Plus the steel roller jeweler has to be replaced. I want to do that one of these days. And on the last one on the top level. What's this one? This one's Elgin National Watch Co. This case is crap. They wore the hell out of it. Wow. Yeah, look at that. They, you see light through there. They wore it right through. Someone used this watch a lot. Another GM Wheeler Elgin. Let's see. We'll hold it upside down. This one? Oh, this one works too. Very nice. Let's go to the second level. Let's see what we got on the second level. Oh, we got more. This must be the key wine. Let's see what this one is. This one's another National Watch Co. I had a thing for National Watch Co. This one's worn pretty good. Let's see what this looks like. Oh man, there you go. This is... what is this one? A Matt Laughlin. That's what this one is. This one work? Oh, this one works too. Oh, this one's got nice blued screws. Very nice. This is a coin. This is a 2-ounce case, I think. Yeah, 2-ounce coin. Probably now it's down to 1.5 or 1 3/4. Let's see what this one is. This one has a tag. This one says B.W. Raymond, Key One Early, whatever that is. I don't even know what that means. Oh, 15 to 17 joules. 250 bucks. I did not pay 250 bucks for this. This is another National Watch Co. I like the hands. I would never pay 250 bucks. For this. Let's see. This is, it looks like a B.W. Raymond. Yeah, another B.W. Raymond. No, I wouldn't pay 250 for a B.W. Raymond. Well, not with this serial number. This one works too. This one I put a shim. I think I put a shim underneath the bounce cock. Because the, it's just sitting too low. Yeah, no, I wouldn't pay 250 for this. No. And let's see the metal one. What's this one? I think this container is all Elgin. Well, that's when the crystal came right off. I gotta glue that. Let's see what this one is. Crystal came off again. This one's another yeah, this is all Elgin stuff. What's this one? This one's just a generic Elgin. This one works? This one works too. Well, I have to glue this on. Yeah, that's got to be glued on. Do that another day. And oh, this one has no bow. Elgin, look how thick that crystal is. Damn. That's old school. That is old school with a crystal like that. Oh, look at that. That makes me laugh. Look how thick that sucker is. Damn. They don't make them like that anymore. Let's see what we got. Silverine case. Ooh. This one is a JT Ryerson. With a, well, this one doesn't want more. This one's good, but I think it needs to be cleaned. Yeah, this one doesn't move that well. Probably needs to be cleaned and oiled. I like that solid balance. It's very nice looking. For a high serial number, wow, they're probably using up all the old parts. Love that crystal though, look at that. Damn. And the last one. Last one also Elgin, so this is an Elgin box. This dial looks nice. This crystal is not as thick. Oh, it's missing the thing on the top. Oh, what was this? Okay, I don't know if I can open this one up. This one had, it's well, the case is spring in the back. You have to push the button in at the top to open it up. But the button's missing. Yeah, usually when they do it that, the bow holds the button in. Oh, how am I gonna open this one up? Oh, I have a screwdriver over here. Let's see if I can open this up. Oh, I don't even know if there's a spring in there. Wow. Oh, I got it. Yeah, you see the spring. Put it back. What is this case? This is coin silver too. Maybe that's why I bought it. Oh, what's this one now? This is another Elgin generic. Well, this one runs. Look at that move. Wow, I think I bought this one for the case. Let's see if I can, did the second hand move? No, the second hand don't move, but the balance moves. I wonder if this one needs a roller jewel. Let's see if I can close this case. There you go. Anyway, so there you go. The bonus material. Let me put all this stuff back. There you go. Well, I gotta have that. Oh. Put them like this. Oh, this was in the middle, I think. Put that one back in the middle. Yeah. Okay. Let me, okay, where's the cover? Alright. So that's that. Bring the star of the show back out. This is the star of the show. Anyway. So I gotta order my 1281 staff, and then we'll see if I can get this thing running again. There's the pieces, and then there's two relatives. I think this one came first. Anyway, thank you for your cooperation. I hope you enjoyed the program, and enjoy the rest of your day.